In this example, the equation of tangent to the parabola y square is equal to 16x, which is a perpendicular to the line. Y is equal to 3x plus 7 is 4 options are there. Okay. So take your solution here. Here y square is equal to 16x is the equation of a parabola here. Take this one as equation number 1 here. And given line is y is equal to 3x plus 7 here. Take this one as equation number 2 here. Okay. Here they given the parabola here. So parabola here. You just find the equation of this tangent here. Okay. Find the equation of this tangent to this parabola, which is a perpendicular to the given line here. Okay. Here the given line is this here. Y is equal to 3x plus 7. Okay. You know that here slope of this line here. Slope of this line is m, and the slope of this tangent it should be minus 1 divided by m here, because both are perpendicular to each other. If the slope of the given line is m, the slope of the tangent should be minus 1 upon m. Okay. First you have to find this point of contact here. Okay. Find the point of contact. Then find this slope here, slope of this line. Then write the slope of this tangent here. Then you can use the formula y minus y1 is equal to this one here, minus 1 upon m into bracket x minus x1 here. Here this part is x1 y1. Okay, this part itself is x1 y1. Okay, therefore differentiate this one with respect to x here. Here differentiating 1 with respect to x here. Hence 2y into dy upon dx is equal to 16x differentiation is only 16 here, because x differentiation is 1 here. Then 2 1s are 2 8s are cancels here. Hence dy upon dx is equal to 8 upon y here. It is 8 divided by y. Okay. Here dy upon dx is 8 upon y. And the slope of this line here. Okay. Slope of line 2 is okay. It is 3 here. Okay. It is 3 units here. Because just comparing this equation with y is equal to mx plus c here. Okay, comparing this equation with y is equal to mx plus c, then m is equal to what? 3. It represents slope of the line here. Therefore, tangent is perpendicular to this line. Therefore, slope of tangent here. Slope of tangent is minus 1 divided by 3. Okay, minus 1 divided by 3. So if m is the slope of the line here, and the slope of this tangent should be minus 1 upon m here. As the slope of the given line is 3, then the slope of the tangent is minus 1 upon 3, because both are perpendicular to each other here. Okay. Therefore, here this is the slope m here. M is the slope of the tangent here, and here dy upon dx is always represents what here? Slope of the tangent. Dy upon dx always represents the slope of the tangent. Therefore, equate this with this here. Therefore, 8 upon y, 8 divided by y is equal to minus 1 upon 3 here. So, minus of 1 upon 3. Okay, this is the slope of tangent here. Even this is also slope of the tangent. Equate this with this here. So, therefore, cross multiply 8 to 3 is 24 here. So, minus of 24 is equal to y. So, y is equal to minus 24. Put y is equal to minus 24 in the equation 1 here. Okay. So, therefore, from 1 here. From equation 1. So, substitute here minus 24 It's a square is equal to 16 into x here. And a square is there, so minus becomes a plus here. So 24 square becomes a 24 into 24 divided by 16 is equal to x here. Okay. Then you can cancel 4 4s are 16 here. Then 4 6s are. Okay. So similarly 4 1s are 4 6s are here. 6 6s are 36. As x is equal to what here? 36 here. X is equal to 36. Okay. So here y is equal to minus 24. X is equal to 36 means this part here. This part of contact is 36 comma minus 24 here. Minus of 24. Okay. Therefore equation of this tangent here. Equation of this tangent passing through this one here. 36 comma minus 24 with a slope minus 1 upon 3. Okay. Therefore equation of tangent here. Therefore equation of tangent is y minus, here minus 24 is there, so minus of 24. Okay, and slope of the tangent is the minus 1 upon 3 here. So it is equal to minus of 1 upon 3 here into x minus x1 is 36 here. Okay, it is 36. Okay, the point of contact is 36 minus 24. x1 is 36 and y1 is minus 24 here. Minus into minus becomes a plus here, and take a 3 this side here. 3 into bracket y plus 24, that is equal to minus of x minus of 36 here. Okay, take 3 inside the bracket here. 3 into y becomes a 3y, then a plus here. 24 into 3 here, 72 here. Take a minus inside here. Minus x plus 36 here. Take both the term left side here. Minus becomes a plus x here. Then a plus 3y. Okay, minus x minus becomes a plus here. Plus x plus 3y. 72 minus 36 here. Plus 72 minus 36 is equal to 0 here. Hence x plus 3y. So 72 minus of 36 how much here? 36. So plus 36 is equal to 0. Okay. Therefore here correct option is therefore here D is the correct option. Okay. Plus 36 equal to 0. In the option they given like this here. 3y plus x plus 36 is equal to 0. Both are same here. Hence D is the correct option here. Okay. So the equation of normal at the point a by 4 comma a to the parabola y square is equal to 4ax. Okay, 4 options are there. Okay. So again here there is a parabola and this is a tangent here. Okay. Then this is a normal. Okay, normal and tangent both are perpendicular to each other. If here m is the slope here, m is the slope of tangent, then minus 1 upon m is the slope of the normal here. Remember it here. If m represents the slope of tangent here, minus 1 upon m it represents the slope of the normal here. Okay, therefore here it is a point of contact here, a by 4 comma here. Okay, but to differentiate here, y square that is equal to 4a into x here. Okay, so take this one as equation number 1 here. Then differentiating equation 1 with respect to x here. So y square differentiation is 2y into dy upon dx here. And 4a x differentiation is 1 here. 1 into a 4a becomes 4a here. 2 1s or 2 2s are cancels here. hence dy upon dx is equal to 2a divided by y, 2a upon y. Hence dy upon dx at the point a by 4 comma a. So therefore here m is equal to dy upon dx at the point a by 4 comma a is equal to, here 2a upon y is the, here y is the a, so use here. Okay, 2a upon a, 2a divided by a and a cancels here, remaining is what here, 2a. Okay, therefore m is equal to 2 here. It is the slope of the tangent here. It is the slope of the tangent. Here we want the equation of normal here. Therefore equation of normal, equation of normal is y minus y1 is equal to, okay, minus of 1 upon m into bracket x minus x1 here. This is the formula. Hence y minus y1 is a here. So write here a minus 1 upon, here m value is a 2 here. So I write that 2 here into x minus x1 is a upon 4 is there. So I write here a divided by 4. Okay, a upon 4 here. Therefore y minus a, y minus a is equal to minus of 1 upon 2 here, minus 1 upon 2 here. So 4 is the LCM, 4 into x becomes 4x here, 4x minus of a. Okay, then the cross multiplied, mean first multiply these two, 4 2s are 8 here. So y minus of a is equal to 4 2s are 8 here, minus 1 upon 8 into bracket 4x minus of a. Now take 8 to this side here. Therefore 8 into bracket y minus a, that is equal to minus of 4x minus of a. Okay, minus 4x minus a. Then take 8 inside the bracket here. 8y, 8 into a becomes 80, minus of 8a. Take a minus inside the bracket, minus 4x plus a. Take both the term left side here, minus 4x becomes plus 4x here, plus 8y, minus 8a minus a becomes a minus of 9a, that is equal to 0. So 4x plus 8y minus 9a is equal to 0. Hence B is the correct option. The equation of tangent to the parabola y is equal to x square minus x at the point where x is equal to 1 is. 4 options are there. Okay. Here again it is the equation of the parabola. You find the equation of tangent at x equal to 1 here, because you know the formula here, y minus y1 is equal to m into bracket x minus x1 here. This is the equation of a tangent here. Here you know only x value here, means x1 equal to 1. You don't know y1. Therefore substitute x equal to 1 in the given parabola. Okay. So y is equal to, okay, x square minus of x here. This is a given parabola here. Now you put x equal to 1 here. Put x is equal to 1 in the equation 1 here. Hence y is equal to 1 square minus 1, it becomes a 0 here. Therefore a point of contact here, point of contact is 1, x is 1 here, y is a 0, 1 comma 0 here. Okay, here if this is a parabola, then this is a tangent here, then this point is called a point of contact here. It's a coordinate 1 comma 0. Okay, then we find the differentiation of this one here. So differentiating 1 with respect to x here, differentiating 1 with respect to x, hence dy upon dx. Here x square differentiation is 2x here, and x differentiation is 1 year. Therefore, here you know dy upon dx always represents the slope of the tangent here. So m is equal to dy upon dx at the point 1 comma 0 here. Put x value 1. So 2 into 1 minus of 1 here, it is a 1 year. Okay, m is equal to 1. Okay, therefore use this formula. Therefore equation of tangent is, therefore equation of tangent is y minus of 0 is equal to 1 into bracket x minus 1. Okay, therefore y is equal to what here? X minus 1. So hence D is the correct option here. Y is equal to x minus 1.